Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Kobalt mini toolbox. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more deals like this, tool deals, Black Friday, holiday deals, and reviews, of course. And let's go ahead and start. I'll leave you guys the affiliate link down below in the description section of this video if you guys are interested in something like this. Alright, to start here, we got item number 5462035. We got Kobalt, 5-pound capacity, 3-year limited warranty, mini toolbox, white finish. This does come in other colors. I'll see if I can link the durable powder coated finish, aluminum drawer trim and friction slides, magnetic drawer shutting mechanism. You got 10.3 inch by 5.91 inch by 5.91 inch. So pretty much square on the sides, rectangle on the longwise. Full width drawers, trim for easy opening. Got white finish, 248 cubic inch of storage space. Magnetic shutting drawer mechanism, rust resistant powder coated finish. This is the toolbox. It does have a gloss finish, no dents or anything. There's nothing on the bottom basically. It does say Kobalt here on the front with great letters. You do have this polished aluminum handles. On the side, pretty plain. On the back, I did get a minor scuff here. Alright, for the top, it goes all the way back. It does not have a stop here in the middle. So it goes all the way to the back. Some nice room here to put maybe a knife, or smaller tools or smaller stuff that you have in there. We recommend this box for maybe a jewelry box. If you guys like watches, you guys could use this as a watch box. Like I said, jewelry, tools, drill bits, knives. You guys could use this, like I said, for the wife, for the mother, daughter. If you guys got a child, you want to introduce them to some tools, this is a great way to introduce them to some tools. Alright, so you got the drawers here. No ball bearing, but they do have a channel in here, so they tend to, overall, pretty nice. Does have some nice depth to them. And this is the deep drawer, actually. So pretty nice again. That's the way it looks on the side. They are magnetic, so they will stay back there. Pretty nice, guys. Definitely check it out. It's a great gift now that the holiday season's around the corner, the Black Friday stuff. These are just under $20 at the Lowe's. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. This is a great gift for the wife, for the daughter, whoever. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more Black Friday deals, for more holiday deals, more price glitches, so you guys will miss those when they pop up. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.